Well, I've got 2 bottles here, and it's getting late, and I'm going to be home as soon as I can. But let me dig these out and see. First of all, I've got one right there. What is this? Well, it fell apart. That broke. But that's alright. We got one more in here. And we're going to end with this one. I pretty much know that this jar is a jar, and try to get it out because of the fact that it's in good shape. What do we got here? I know this bottle. It's it's McAllister's Mockingbird food. McAllister's Mockingbird food. It's a cool bottle. I found them one other time before, but it looks, unfortunately, you can see, I think there's a crack in it. Yep, there is a crack in that bottle, so I'm not taking it. But that's the end for me tonight. End it with a broken old McAllister's. Later.